Hello everyone. If you keep getting this error 0xC0000006 when you're trying to launch any application on your computer, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix that annoying error easily. First off, what you're going to do is you're going to open up the start menu and you're going to write here command. You're going to right click on the command prompt, click on to run as administrator, click yes on here, and then you're going to put this command into command prompt. I'm going to put this command into the description. We're going to press enter and we're going to wait for it to restore the health of our computer. It can take a little while depending on how fast your computer is. Once it's done, you're going to go ahead and once it's done, you're going to go ahead and restart your computer, and that should fix your issue. So if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.